You might be wanting to start your meditation practice, but you have no idea where to begin. My name is Cristina, and today I'm gonna share 5 simple and powerful steps that you can take to start a meditation practice and stick to it. Número 1. Let go of expectation. A lot of you might have, heard or read somewhere that you completely need to put your mind in blank and stop the thinking process. Yeah, your mind is gonna keep thinking and you're gonna go crazy. Let go of expectation and enter this new practice from a place of curiosity of what could happen internally and externally if you start to practice. So approach these with completely beginner's mind and just know that every single time you meditate, it will be different. Even if you've been meditating for many years, that internal experience will always have a different taste, a different feeling. So let go of expectations. Número 2. You need to be comfortable in your physical body to be able to go beyond the body. So super simple things that you can do to feel comfortable in your body is to just do a little bit of movement practice before your meditation, and I will leave a video here for you to check it out and prepare for your meditation practice, and also to support yourself when you are sitting. We all have different body shapes and different lifestyles, so your hips might be a little bit tight. Something that can help find more ease in your hips is to use a prop. You can use a pillow, a cushion, and simply elevate your hips. What this will do is will create a lot more space for your spine to feel long and more freedom in your lower back. And if this is not possible for you, you can sit on a chair, but just make sure your spine is long and you're not kind of collapsing onto the chair, and both feet are firmly grounded on the earth. Yeah, in our meditation practice, we want to create a foundation, a base where you are kind of comfortable, and then from that space your spine always long. If the back is perhaps not ready yet to be without support, you can use a wall to support your back, but just make sure that with time you move away from the wall. Yeah, so another thing to consider is to be in a space that it's quiet, in a place where you feel safe to just explore, a place where you're not going to have distractions of people knocking at your door, and remember to put your phone on airplane mode. Número 3. Start slow. Build your practice slowly so you can see very natural and easy progression. If you set really high expectations, right? I'm gonna meditate 30 minutes a day, and you're new, I guarantee you won't do that. But if you say to yourself, I'm going to meditate this week for 5 minutes. I'm going to start with 5 minutes of a daily meditation practice. That sounds more achievable, right? So start slow and build your practice in gentle but consistent progression. That way you will feel you are achieving, you feel how the practice start to become part of your life. Número 4. Find a meditation practice, a technique, or find a teacher and stick to that practice. In the modern world, which is amazing, we are exposed to so much information and different meditation techniques, which in a way is good because it gives us different opportunities to explore what resonates and aligns to us. But at the same time, it gives a lot of us the invitation to be in a constant change and be changing here, trying that, trying this. And in meditation, it's a very subtle practice. So for us to really feel and tune in into its power, we need to do it for a long time. Remember, it's a subtle practice that it's kind of reprogramming our body, our energy, and our mind. So if you are changing meditation techniques every day, you're really not going to be able to experience the gift of the practice. So 100% do one practice that is very powerful, that is charged with a lineage base, and finding a teacher that you resonate with to guide you in that process. It will completely change your experience having a guide and having one powerful practice that you do. Número 5. Practice. For this to work and have an effect in how you feel internally and how you feel externally, you need to practice, 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 practice. Remember, you are building momentum. We are reprogramming, as I say. So having a practice that it's progressive, starting slow, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and building from there. Having a meditation practice that it's based, lineage based, that it has the same intention. And also having that devotion, that internal yes to yourself, to show up every single day. That internal commitment will completely transform the relationship you have with the practice. It will transform the relationship you have with yourself, and it will completely transform the relationship that you have with everything and everyone around you. So I hope these 5 steps help you to see a clear path where you can start your meditation practice. I will leave a video here that you can follow. It's a guided meditation that you can start practicing today, and also in the links below, meditation quiz to find out what is the best meditation to suit you and your lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. I will see you on the next video. Muchas gracias and namaste.